Okay. You can't reuse the ends very much because then all of a sudden you're just like putting what you got off on. And I'm just flicking off any possible fallout. There. And then I rub it in a circle and make sure there's no makeup on that brush tip before I put it back. Alright. Sorry, there's one more little hair. I feel it. I don't know where it went. So that's the initial look without, that's just one pass. Can y'all see? And I do like this. This is a more purple tone than I usually do, more brown tone. But I like it, I like it. I'm going to re-tip my ends and go back through them one more time. Wow, this is really depositing a lot of product, y'all. Like, I'm going to probably need to rake through some of this mascara with a spoolie brush, because that's a little too much product getting deposited and it's looking gooey. There we go. There we go. Uh-oh. Looks pretty good. And now I'm actually going to tip the end, so I've got to be really careful because this is so wet. There we go. There. I gotta say, this is, when I'm blinking, it's going right onto my tear duct, which I don't like. There we go. It's better. And so there's this is the second coat. That's one coat. So it just depends on, do you like a more mascara-y look? Or you want to leave it alone at one coat? Wow, that's a lot of product coming off. I think this is a little too much. And I've got another boo-boo up there. Why does that keep happening? This is really bad because I'm actually trying to scrape that off because it's messing up my shadow color, which I used this black, and that's really going to affect how that appears. And I hope this is not messing up my mascara. And what's really bad is now if I pull that out, it's going to be a third coat of a pretty thick mascara. Normally, you guys, I'll tell you it's not that thick. I think it's because it's brand new, and for some reason it's super wet. Usually it's right the opposite. Don't y'all usually experience it? When you first open it, it's not super wet, it's super dry. I don't know, y'all tell me below. What do y'all typically come across? But yeah, I'm getting a lot of fallout, y'all. Mascara fallout, which isn't typical. And I don't mean like when it's dried and you get little crumbs. I mean, it's just so wet. I'm getting almost too much coverage. And y'all know me, normally I would love that. Okay, I'm going to do one last pass straight up to reposition these. And what's really weird is the one place I want excess product right on the tip ends, it's not taken. right on the tip end is where I want it. Because that makes it look like really curly when you're looking straight on, to have this one right there. Those two little ones right there. I don't know why. Normally I have a really good experience with this, and I wouldn't say this is bad, the Cover Girl Lash Blast. I won't say that's bad at all. Just normally it's not so messy. That's all I would say about it. And I hope as I look around and it's drying, I don't look up later and go, oh my gosh, look what it did. Anyway, so that's it. And yeah, I feel like this is a good, this ColourPop is a really good palette. The Fame palette is what I have on with the cool tones in it. And I feel like it did good. And I even used my usual Soft Rose. So, anyway. That's my look for the day. I hope you guys like it. Me and my woodens. Everything wood, everything wood. Love you guys. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye. Bye-bye.